Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe the way my kitchen looked when I walked in here. Anyway, I'm making baked beans and hot dogs. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And as you can see, I was cleaning the burners because as you can see, maybe I was the only one that saw that too. But anyway, this is me boiling my ballpark hot dogs. I only boiled it for a few minutes, covered it up to allow it to cook even faster. And I used my Bush's baked beans and I added to the baked beans some mustard and brown sugar. I allowed it to cook really well. It was already cooked, so I just heated it up really good and thickened it up. But back to my kitchen, like, I don't understand why I work. You know, I work from home, so when I come into my kitchen, it should be clean already. Whose fault it is, we will never know. I don't understand it. My husband actually volunteered to do the dishes, but I said, you know what? Nope, I'm going to make content out of this. But as you can see, so after I boiled my hot dogs, I added it to the grill pan. I allowed it to get that grill mark because I love a good looking grilled hot dog. But I also added a little bit of water so that it wouldn't be too hard of a hot dog. I like the moisture of a hot dog. This is my husband's plate, so he has 2 hot dogs. I am drizzling some ketchup and mustard, and then he asked for sauerkraut, which I don't eat and no one else eats. But he likes it, and that's all that matters. So he gets sauerkraut on his hot dogs. And then I added some baked beans, and then the food was done. It wasn't a long time to make it. It just took time because I had to clean up my kitchen first. One of these days, we're going to get it together. Anyway, don't forget, we all have 24 hours in a day. Don't forget to spend at least 1 hour with God. Love y'all. More content coming soon. Peace out.